of the light independent reaction phase of photosynthesis is what? So ano daw yung end product ng light independent reaction phase of photosynthesis? Okay, ang sagot po dito, pag end product ng light independent reaction, ang sagot po natin is sugar po. Okay, sugar. Siya po yung end product ng light independent reaction phase. Remember po, yung light independent is tinatawag po natin na Calvin cycle, yung baliktad po, okay? Yung light independent. Kasi light independent, hindi siya light dependent. Pag light independent, yan po yung dark reaction, okay? Dark reaction. Recall lang po natin ha, yung dark reaction po, ito pong phase na ito, yung energy na galing sa ATP at NADPH na nanggaling sa light dependent reaction is ginagamit po dito sa dark reaction to convert carbon dioxide into glucose and other sugars. Okay? So yung ATP daw at NADPH galing sa light dependent reaction is ginagamit siya to convert yung carbon dioxide. Yan po yung input para magiging glucose at sugar. Okay? So ang sagot po natin dito is letter A, sugar. Number 3. What is a distinguishing characteristics of Homo sapiens over the lower mammals? Ano po ang difference po natin po compared po sa mga lower types of mammals? Ang difference po is merong large brains si Homo sapiens. Okay? Merong mga malalaking brains si Homo sapiens. Ang human brain po is significantly larger po doon sa mga lower types of mammals. At medyo mas complex po sila compared to the other primates po na kabilang po sa family po natin. So, hindi family na family natin. Yan yung po sa family tree. Okay? Family tree ng sa Homo na about primates po. So, ang sagot po natin is large brains. Yan po yung difference natin compared doon sa lower mammals. Difference of Homo sapiens over the lower mammals. Number 4. Which is the technology being used now in the surgery of the retina? Ano daw ang ginagamit natin na technology sa surgery po sa pag-aayos po ng ating mga retina? Ang isasagot mo natin dito pag surgery of the retina is laser technology. Okay? Laser technology. Yung laser surgery po, common po siya na technology na ginagamit at effective treatment po para sa mga several retinal conditions. Such as for example po, yung mga merong diabetic retinopathy. Okay? Yung mga diabetic patients or merong mga tinatawag nating retinal tears or mga holes po. So, ang laser po na ito is ginagamit to create small burns or to seal blood vessels doon sa retina natin without damaging the surrounding tissue. Okay? So, itong type na surgery is typically performed on an outpatient basis and has meron siyang high success rate. MRI, X-ray at CT scan are just imaging technologies po na ginagamit for diagnostic purposes at hindi po sila ginagamit for retinal surgery. Number 5. Animals living in the high mountain areas counter the cold by means of their what? Okay? Yung mga animals daw doon sa mga matataas na lugar, kina-counter nila yung cold by means of their what? So ang mga mapapansin natin doon sa mga animals po, doon sa tuktok ng bundok is that meron silang thick hair coat. Okay? Meron silang thick hair coat. Dense coat po sila na nag-help to insulate them from the cold and also serves as windbreak. Okay? Windbreak. Structural, yung thick hair coat po is structural adaptation po ng mga animals po na nag-stay po doon sa matataas na lugar. Number 6. Which of the following has the lowest heating value? Saan po dito daw ang may lowest heating value? Okay, remember ha? Lowest heating value. Pinakamababa po. Among the choices, ang pinakamababa na heating value is, syempre, si wood po. Okay? Si wood. Wood has a lower heating value compared to coal, natural gas, and petroleum because it is much less dense po siya and it contains less energy per unit of mass. Coal, natural gas, and petroleum have higher heating values because marami po silang sources of energy and they contain more carbon and hydrogen. 7. Animal cells contain mitochondria. Plant cells contain chloroplast. Do plant cells contain mitochondria? So ang tanong po is, do plant cells contain mitochondria? Ang sagot po natin is, yes, they contain mitochondria. So, recall po natin ha, yung mitochondria is yung powerhouse of the cell. Siya po ay isang organelle na makikita in most eukaryotic cells including both animal and plants. And remember, pag mitochondria, siya po yung site of cellular respiration. Okay? Cellular respiration. Number 8. Food prep is handled well to avoid spoilage caused by what in the preparation of and processing of the food products. So, ano po ang sagot dito? Okay? Food preparation daw is handled well to avoid spoilage caused by, syempre, pag food preparation, meaning food safety. From what? From unsanitary conditions. Okay? Unsanitary conditions. Next number 9. Which statement best describes the climax stage of an ecological succession? So here in this question, we are talking about ecological succession. Ang hinahanap natin is yung climax stage. Pag climax stage po, ang sagot natin is letter A. Persist until there are drastic changes. So, in environmental science po, yung climax stage po is siya po yung final and stable stage of ecological succession. In which po yung community is na-reach na po niya yung state of equilibrium within its environment. Okay? So, itong stage din po, ang community sa mga species po dito has reached its maximum diversity and the populations of the species are relatively stable. Thus, the community there can be able to persist in the state until there are drastic changes na mangyayari doon. So, letter A po, persist until there are drastic changes. Number 10. What best describes respiration? What best describes respiration? So, among the choices, isa lang po yung tamang sagot dito. Siyempre, obvious na talaga. Respiration is taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Okay? Walang iba kundi si Charlie. Number 11. In mammalian cloning, the organisms resulting from the technology is similar to the what? Okay, we are talking about mammalian cloning. Pag mammalian cloning resulting from the technology, similar po siya sa owner of the somatic cell. Okay? Owner of the somatic cell. Si somatic cell nuclear transfer ang ibig sabihin po nito. So si SCNT, somatic cell nuclear transfer. Siya po ay isang cloning technique in which the nucleus of a somatic cell is transferred into an enucleated egg cell, which is then stimulated to divide and develop into an embryo. Okay, ang resulta po nito, ang resulting organism is a clone po sa somatic cell donor. And very identical po yung genetic material niya doon sa donor. So letter D, owner of the somatic cell. Number 12. What kind of relationship exists when one organism kills and eats another organism? So, obvious na po ito ha. Pag isang organism pinatay niya at kinain yung other organism, tinatawag po natin dyan is predation. Okay? Predator-prey relationship. Yung prey is yung kinakain, si predator yung kumakain. Let's have number 13. Choose from among these heterotrophs or organisms that feed on partially decomposed tissues of plants and animals. Okay? So, nag-feed po siya, hindi po yung feed po yan. Sorry po. So, feed on partially decomposed tissues. So, ano po sila? Hindi naman autotrophs kasi siya po yung nag-create ng food, nagpo-produce ng food. Carnivores, kumakain lang only ng meat. Herbivores, kumakain ng kumakain ng mga gulay, di ba? Ang sagot po natin dito is dapat letter D, detrivores. Okay? Detrivores. Sila po yung kumakain ng mga dead remains. Okay? Dead remains of tissues of plants and animals. Examples po of detrivores are yung mga earthworms, millipedes, at mga certain types of insects. Number 14. What is a genome? Okay, what is a genome? By definition po, okay, verbatim po, by definition, ang genome po ay isang complete complement of an organism's gene. Okay, complete complement of an organism's gene. The genome po, it includes all of the genetic material sa isang organism na including po yung mga genes, non-coding DNA sequences, and other regulatory elements. Number 15. Name the feeding procedure unique to the birds wherein the mother binds partially digests the food and places it amount into the young's beak. So ang ginagawa nito is yung mother bird po daw is ningunguya-puya muna yung food po before niya ibibigay doon sa kanyang young. Okay? Ang tawag po dito is letter A po, regurgitation. Regurgitation. Yan po yung unique procedure to birds wherein the mother partially digests the food and places an amount into the young's beak. Okay? So another otherwise known po ito as crop milk or pigeon milk. Okay? Crop milk or pigeon milk. Other tawag po ni regurgitation. Number 16. Is a group of interacting plants and animals and human in a particular area. So, anong tawag dito? Interaction po sa mga plants, animals, and human in a particular area. Ang sagot po natin nito is involved po siya in different species. So, therefore, ecological community. Okay? Ecological community. Population of different species na nag-i-interact within one another. Number 17. What is the process that uses microbes to break down pollutants in the environment, particularly the soil? Okay. Process po daw ang hinahanap natin na gumagamit ng microbes para ma-break down yung mga pollutants sa environment, especially po sa soil. Ang tawag po dito na process is bioremediation. Okay, alpha. Bioremediation. Number 18. Using a genetic engineering technique, a research team was able to produce a rare human protein, which is now being tried as a possible cure for cancer. Ano po ang tawag sa protein na ito? Okay. Pag protein, cure of cancer, possibility of cure of cancer, ang protein po na ito is interferon. Okay? Interferon. Hindi collagen, hindi keratin, hindi polymerase. Interferon po yung tawag sa protein na ito. Number 19. Which of the following type of muscles that is spindle-shaped and non-striated and tends to be involuntary? Parang bumalik na ito sa last set, di ba? Pag spindle-shaped, non-striated, at tends to involuntary, ang sagot natin is smooth muscles. Okay? Smooth muscles. Involuntary po si smooth muscles. Tsaka non-striated din. Number 20. A disorder of the digestive system that happens more often in the children than in adults. So, digestive system na karaniwang nagaganap or nakukuha ng mga bata compared sa mga adults. Siyempre, if we compare an adult sa isang child, medyo maliksi po yung mga bata. Okay? They tend to move everywhere, especially after eating. And what do they, anong makukuha po nila after doon na parating silang malilikot pagkatapos kumain? Ang sagot po is makukuha nila si appendicitis. Okay? Appendicitis. 21. Canis familiaris is the scientific name of a dog. Yung canis dito is tinatawag natin na, of course, genus po. Okay? Genus. Genus po ang tawag dito. Yung isa po, si familiaris, species po yan. Specific epithet. Okay, specific epithet. 22. Name the kind of organelle that is found in the cytoplasm which is composed of protein and lipid molecules. and is considered the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, na-mention ko na to kanina, di ba? Pag powerhouse of the cell, walang iba kundi si mitochondria. Okay, mitochondria. 22. Which type of organism is not shown in the food chain? Grass, mouse, snakes, hawk. Anong hindi ipinapakita dito, di ba? Ang napapansin natin, nawawala po si letter D po, decomposer. Okay? Walang magdi-decompose sa kanila. So need talaga si decomposer para sa food chain po natin. 23. Creativity is a desirable trait that should be developed among our students. Describe a creative person. Okay, ang creative person, when it comes to creativity, syempre, if you are creative, you are making something. Okay, making something out from your ideas. Meaning to say, it originates own procedures. You have your own way of doing this. Okay, that is being creative. 24. Teacher's explanation of the way in which evolution occurs is that. Ano po ang explanation ng isang karaniwang science teacher sa pag-take po ng evolution? So, syempre, by the book po tayo, yung evolution po is letter D, progressive adaptations that enable one species to live more offsprings. Okay, to live more offsprings. Last number. Which is the property of a particular species living in a particular setting together with the role it plays in relation with other species. Okay, anong property daw? Ang particular species living in a particular setting together po sa role po niya. So, merong key term tayo, yung role, okay? Role it plays in that relationship. Pag role po, ang tinatawag po natin is niche po, okay? Niche. So, that's and the blessings set 1. Watch the next video po, yung set 2.